And if I go to this column, I can click on it and I see that I can change the column width. Well, since there is a lot of space over here, which I will not use, I can drag this to the left and you see the percentage over there. And also over here, if I select it again, I can say I want this to be 30% of the complete width of this section. So the totals, of course, 100%. Here I say I want it to be 30, or I go down like that until I see that the logo becomes smaller. So I want it to be 25. And then this area, I want it to be 75. And if you want to see the real result on a normal screen, then you can click over here. And then you see how it looks in real life. So we have our logo over here. That's a great start. Then I click over here and I want to go for the navigation menu. Our menu, I want to show it over here. So what I will do, I will drag it over here. This is a drag and drop page builder. Like 5-10 years ago, it was really hard to create a website with a page builder. The page builders were crappy. Right now they are amazing. And by the way, crappy for me, that's not a bad word. So if I cursing or whatever in your country language, I'm sorry, I do not mean that. But I mean to say that it was really bad and now it's so easy. So I can align it to the right. I want to do that. And then I can change the style. But first let me take a look over here at the layout. The menu, I want to select the main menu. It's the only menu we have. If you have more menus, you can select the menu you want to display over here. Right now we see a nice green overlay, but that's not at all what we want. We're talking about branding. Well, if this is our branding, these colors and then a green one, that's not good. So we are going to change it in a minute. How do you want to display this? Horizontal menu or vertical? Well, I don't want to display the menu horizontally like that, or a drop down, so you only have an icon over here. That's also an option. I use the horizontal menu. Then we align it to the right, then we have the pointer, and over here, that is the pointer. The pointer is an underline. Oh, it can be nice, I don't want it, I rather have it